Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to London Satsangam's Pongal Special Rangoli Competition 2021. Rangoli is an integral part of Indian culture, especially during the month of Margazhi, that is from December 15th to January 15th, all large-scale polls in India. This competition gives our UK residents an opportunity to showcase their creativity. Kamala Kocherlakota and Priya Chodimela. Kamala, in her own words, is not an artist but a rasika. She is a lawyer by education and IT consultant by profession, like many of our generation, and most importantly, a homemaker by choice. She is currently learning Sanskrit from the Bhavan founders. Kamala is often called a perfectionist by her daughter. She takes pride in representing her Indian culture and belongs to the founder family of Sri Bhadrakali Sameta, Sri Veerabhadreshwara temple in Andhra Pradesh. Priya is from Reading. She works in the NHS in clinical administration and is also a homemaker. She is very traditional and loves Indian culture. Priya is also an enthusiast of Indian arts. Thank you to Priya and Kamala for being our judges today. I will now start with our first Rangoli entry by Mrs. Jaya Krishnan. Her Rangoli, she is unable to be here with us today, but let us enjoy her beautiful kolam.
என் பேர் ஜெயலட்சுமி கிருஷ்ணன். நான் மாக்கோலம் போட போறேன்.
Our next entry is by Mrs. Nandini Ganesh. Hi, Nandini. Nandini, are you here in the Zoom call?
Yeah. I'm here. Sorry, it took me some time to put my video on. Yeah, I'm Nandini Ganesh. I'm from Fulham in London. I mean, I'm a very novice in kolam. I mean, I wasn't that brilliant at putting kolam, but I thought I'll take this opportunity because I wanted to showcase my grandmother's kolam. I mean, compared to all of you, I'm a novice both in putting kolam as well as taking the video. So please bear with me. I hope you enjoy the kolam. I normally use colors, but I think because of the lockdown, I couldn't source colors. So I've tried to do it with grains. And it took me a lot of time to assemble the grains into the column, and I self took the video. So that is how I've done the whole thing. Thanks, Soumya, for the opportunity. And I hope this introduction is enough, and I hope you enjoy the column. And I'm sure all the other columns are brilliant, and I've tried my best.
Hi, London Satsang. This is Nandini Ganesh here, and I'm so happy to take part in the column competition or a column display which you're organizing. I'm going to draw a column done by my party all those years ago. It's called Carpet Column, and she used to be very famous for it. She used to put it for all Golu, and every time somebody came, they would instantly walk on it thinking it's a real carpet. She used to, of course, do it on the floor, and I will be doing it on a table because it's winter and difficult to go outside and do it or do it on the floor at this point in time. So I hope you really like it, and I really enjoyed taking part in this show. I'm doing this on top of a table. Because I'm doing it on top of the table, it looks fairly shaky at this stage, and it looks light, but I'm hoping to develop it properly as I go along. So I will hoping it will just come along and look a bit brighter, but this is what I've done for the outline. I've now joined all the dots with this particular pattern, and I will be developing this and filling in all the colors. I am planning to think a little differently for the colors because I don't have much of Rangoli powder left, and in this pandemic I don't want to be going to the Indian shops to be buying colors, so I'll have to think a little differently. I've filled one portion of the column with Pasi Purple. We're just trying to get a eco-friendly column effect. So let's see how this develops. We put a bit of urad dal, black urad dal on some of the squares, and we'll be adjusting all the proportions. Hopefully it'll all be okay in the end. So this is just work in progress. This is the column, final effect of the column, completely done with grains. We didn't use any artificial colors, and normally my party would use manja podi and kavi to do the carpet column. She won't use any artificial colors, and she'll mostly use only two colors, which is kavi and manja podi. But in this case, we thought we'll also add a little bit of red to it. I've done another supplementary column next to the main column. This is basically pongal pane with a bit of grains coming out, and then this is the main column, and this is 8 by 8 as said before, and I really enjoyed this process. Thank you so much, London Satsang, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Nandini. Our next our next entry is by Veena Sounder.
Hi, my name is Veena and I'm 20 years old and I'm history student. And for Magri Masam, me, my mother and sister decided to do a column each day for the different Tilpaves. And the one I've selected for this is the last day, which I did an Andal column, and I used color, and I've selected that.
Thank you, Veena, for such a beautiful column. Our next entry is by Akila Venkat. Hi, Akila.
Okay.
Please go on.
Namaskaram. I will talk on behalf of Akila actually. Okay. Akila, she is very passionate about this artwork. Okay, so she has learned a little bit of drawing before, and she's been doing rangoli for a long time. Like even in India, and all she used to do, I think. Okay, so since she came here, she has done it few times at some events, but she was very happy to actually get involved in this event. Especially during the lockdown when we are not able to see anybody, etc. So this kind of helped her keep her focus, and so she's happy with that. Is there anything you want to say? Okay, thanks for the opportunity for this opportunity.
Okay, Akila is preparing for the Rangoli. What normally she does is she draws a picture on the sheet. Now she got a 5 feet by 4 feet wide sheet. On that, I think she's making quite a few. I think 3 types of drawing she's doing. Like one is for Surya Bhagwan and a prayer by the family, and then farmers, the harvesting and some other. But there's another one where the lady is doing a rangoli in that. Okay, so that's what she's doing. Akila is almost, she's completed. As you see, those 2 pictures are done. One is வந்துட்டு விவசாயி என் ஒய்ஃப் மாதிரி அந்த காலத்தில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி, அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு பொண்ணு ரங்கோலி போடுற மாதிரி. பார்த்தா அகிலா மாதிரி தான் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Anyway, so that she has done. The third one, the final picture which she is doing is the சூரியன் வந்துட்டு ஒரு ஃபேமிலி வந்துட்டு சூரிய பூஜை பண்ணுற மாதிரி பொங்கலுக்கு. So that is the final one that she is doing. So maybe in ஒரு 2-3 hours the whole film முடிஞ்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So that's Hi everyone, this is Partha. I'm just helping Akila record the video of her Rangoli design. Just to explain a bit about her Rangoli design. Since it's a Pongal related Rangoli, she just wanted to highlight a few things that we normally do around the Pongal time. Okay, so this Rangoli has got 3 separate rangoli inside them, basically. Okay, the first one on the left, as you can see, is the Surya Bhagwan prayer. Basically, the family is praying to the sun god. Okay, with as you see, the Pongal Pane is there, the Karumbu adala irukku, then maadu irukku. And also the kite, normally in the சமயத்தில் வந்துட்டு kite festival also is famous around this time. So அதனால் வந்துட்டு the kite வேற she has drawn there. So this is one side where she's the family is praying to Surya Bhagwan. So that is thing. And then if you go to the right side, there are it's a farmer couple basically. வந்துட்டு லைக் இந்த ஹார்வெஸ்ட் சமயத்தில் ஹார்வெஸ்ட் முடிஞ்சு அந்த மாதிரி சும்மா ஒரு இது, பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் அட் தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் தி டே இட்ஸ் அ ஃபார்மர்ஸ் ஃபெஸ்டிவல். ஸோ அவங்க அந்த கப்பல் ஃபோட்டோ அது. அண்ட் தென் ஃபைனலி இட்ஸ் ஒரு யங் கேர்ள் டூயிங் அ ரங்கோலி in that picture. So that's what she has said, no column and rangoli. So this is what Akila has done for this. இதில் வந்து வெறும் கலர் மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்ணாமல் she also used some artificial stones and things like that. இந்த தோடுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸோட டிசைனில் ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்கா இந்த புடவையில் சும்மா she has done something like that. Okay, so this is basically it for Akila's Rangoli design. I hope you all enjoy that, and thanks very much for giving her the opportunity. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Akila.
Oh, thank you.
That was a very beautiful, lovely.
Hello, yeah. Thank you very much, yeah.
Okay. So our next entry by Mrs. Can you hear me, Ramya?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi all. This is Ramya Anand here. I'm from Reading. Usually columns are always thought to be to bring prosperity. And this time I have made yara column. Usually paddy column, they are made with rice flour, but I made yara column, and what I did was like I soaked rice, ground it to a fine paste, and I've did yara column, and I've also used a cheman along with it. The combination of ma column and cheman, or it represents goddess Lakshmi and Vishnu. I have seen this paddy column, yara column right from my childhood. Like my mom always used to put these whenever there was any festivals, or even for our birthdays, she used to put. And as soon as I see it, I usually it brings such happiness and prosperity actually. So thank you for LSS for giving me this opportunity.
நமஸ்காரம் எல்லாருக்கும் பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இன்னைக்கு நான் இழகோலம் போட போகிறேன். அரிசியை ஊற வச்சு அரைச்சி இழக்கோலத்து மாவு ரெடி பண்ணிட்டேன். இப்போ போட ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறேன்.
நம் கட்சி புஞ்சையும் நஞ்சையும் இந்த பூமியும் சாமியும் இனி நம் கட்சி பூ பூக்கும் மாசம் தை மாசம் ஊரெங்கும் வீசும் பூவாசம் சின்ன கிளிகள் பறந்து ஆட சிந்து கவிகள் குயில்கள் பாட சின்ன கிளிகள் பறந்து ஆட சிந்து கவிகள் குயில்கள் பாட புது தாளம் ஒன்று சேரும் நேரம் இந்நேரம் பூ பூக்கும் மாசம் தை மாசம் ஊரெங்கும் வீசும் பூவாசம் பொங்கல் வைக்க மஞ்சள எடு தங்கச்சி புஞ்சையும் நஞ்சையும் இந்த பூமியும் சாமியும் இனி நம் கட்சி
இழகோலம் போட்டு முடிச்சாச்சு, அதுக்கு செம்மனும் இட்டாச்சு. ஸோ எல்லாரும் அவ ஐடியாஸ் ஜஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரவைஸ் பண்ணி இதை எப்படி வேணால் எவ்வளோ இன்னும் பெருசாக வேணால் கோலெல்லாம் போடலாம். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஹோப் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்யூ டு LSS ஃபார் கிவிங் மீ தோஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. அண்ட் மறுபடியும் எல்லாருக்கும் பொங்கல் திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். எல்லாரும் எல்லா நலமும் வளமும் பெற்று எல்லாரும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.
Very precise.
Thank you so
Our
much.
next Gomati.
Hi all. Good morning to everyone. And my name is Gomati. I live in Amash.
Hi Gomati, can you hear us?
Can you hear us?
Yes.
My name is Gomati and I live in Amasham with my family. Thank you, LSS, for giving me this opportunity. I'm a homemaker. I do like to put kolam, but this is the first time I'm participating in the competition, online competition, and this is my first entry. I have done what I know, but this is not a very good entry, I would say, because this is my first try here. And thank you for giving this opportunity here.
Thank you, Gomati. It was a very beautiful, colorful Rangoli. Doesn't look like the first time you are making. Very well done. Our next entry is by Mrs. Shailaja Venkatraman.
Hello all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, London Satsangam. I did Suri Kolam or Suttu Kolam, whatever they say. I'm not sure about the name, but that is Suri Kolam. I only decided last minute and I couldn't take a 3 minutes video since kids are running here and there. I'm not able to take my 3 minutes video. Somehow Soumya accepted my entry. I was so surprised when my column was taken for the competition. Hope you all enjoy. Thank you so much.
Molly தெரியுது.
Hello, Namaskaram. Namaskaram to all. I am Subhadra Raghuraman, a performer and teacher in Carnatic Veena. And I'm really glad to be participating today in London Satsangam's Rangoli competition. Today I will present to you all a traditional kolam, which comes from my hometown Chengotai in South Tamil Nadu. There are many designs and types of columns. However, the specific design is often used in functions and festivals, which also can be changed to your preferences. I think it's good to see LSS do this Rangoli competitions, as it brings back old memories and continues the tradition of these columns. Once again, I thank LSS and I wish them all the very best in upcoming events. Thank you very much. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் ஒரு சின்ன கன்னியாகுளம் உங்களுக்கு போட்டு காமிக்கலான்னு இருக்கேன். எங்கள் ஊர் சைடு செங்கோட்டையில் வந்து என்ன ஒரு சின்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தால் கூட இந்த கன்னியாகுளம் தான் போடுவோம். அது சும்மா ஒரு சின்ன கோலம் இந்த ஊரில் எந்த அளவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக போட முடியுமோ அந்த மாதிரி போட்டு காமிக்கிறேன்.
Thank you, Subhadra. It was a beautiful Padi kolam. So one of you can comment about the kolam so far. Maybe Kamala, you can say a few words about the kolam so far.
Thank you very much to all of you. And first of all, I have to thank Chitra and Soumya for having us here today with all of you. And I cannot say that, like, which is beautiful, which is not beautiful, and everything looks equally good. So it's really going to be tough to make the decision. But however, having said that, one of my friends, she always mentioned that, men have Sandhya Vandanam to do, but what about women? The kolam is the Sandhya Vandanam for women. That's what she defined kolam as. So, and in the courtyard, we make it beautiful, and we wake up, a lady wakes up the entire home. So that's how she defined the kolam. And in a simple way, if I have to put it across. And yeah, it's really lovely to see so much of participation and enthusiasm. It looks wonderful. And I'm going back to the Sankranti or Pongal. I'm going back to the times again. So yes, thank you so much again. And over to you, Soumya.
Yeah. Thank you, Kamala. Priya, could you say a few words about the kolam so far?
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank you by involving me into this. I thought it was a fun thing to do, to come to some place like this and judge people and see how it is, enjoy myself this weekend. I'm actually very amazed by the different, the variety that I'm seeing. And now I'm thinking more than enjoyment, now I'm scared because, everything is so beautiful. I hope I, deliver in the end. Having said that, I would just like to add that you people are inspiring me quite a lot. When I was in India, I used to, every day we used to put, column outside our house, especially in, like you said, in the month of December to January, we used to do it. Here, after coming here, somehow the enthusiasm is less. Maybe the weather, or maybe because I'm very conscious of what my neighbors will think and all that. But seeing you people, I feel like I should start doing it again. Forget about what people are thinking, forget about the weather. Just make an effort to make my home look beautiful. You people are really inspiring. So I'm really happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Now our next entry is by Madhurima Chandrasekhar.
Hi everyone, I'm Madhurima Chandrasekhar. This Thai Masam takes place usually from the 15th of January to the 15th of February. And during this Pongal Masam, there are a lot of Kalyanams that take place in India, a lot of marriages. So that's why I did this marriage-inspired kolam. So I hope you all like it.
தை மாசத்துல நிறைய கல்யாணங்கள் நடக்கும்னு சொல்லுவா. அதனாலதான் இந்த கல்யாணம் தீம்ல நான் ரங்கோலி போட்டிருக்கேன். கல்யாணம்ல நிறைய பூ அலங்காரம் பின்னாடி பேக்ட்ராப்ல போட்டிருப்பா. ஸோ நான் இந்த 3 கலர்ல பூ அலங்காரம் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். மேடையில அமர்த்தமா ஒரு ஜமக்காலம் விரிச்சிருப்பா. ஸோ அதனால நான் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ளூ கிரீன் கார்பெட்டை போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். கல்யாணம் பொண்ணோட அலங்காரம் தலையில பூ, நெத்தி சுட்டியும், மூக்குத்தி, தோடு ஜிம்கி மாட்டல், கழுத்துல நெக்லஸ், பூ மாலை, இடுப்புல ஒடியானம், கையில வளையல் அண்ட் 9 கஜம் கட்டியிருக்கேன். காலில் கொலுசு, மர்தானியும் மெட்டி போட்டிருக்கேன். கல்யாணம் கூடும் இங்க வச்சிருக்கேன், பிங்க் ராப்பிங் கலரோட. இங்க நடுவுல மஞ்ச குங்குமம் தடவி ஹோமகுண்டம் போட்டிருக்கேன். கல்யாணத்தை சிம்பாலிக்கா காமிக்கிறதுக்கு பையன் பொண்ணோட கைய பிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கிற மாதிரி காமிச்சிருக்கேன். இந்த சைடுல வெத்தலை பாக்கு, கோகோனட், மஞ்சள், பழம் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கேன். கல்யாணம் பையன் காலில் மருதாணி இட்டிருக்கேன், பஞ்சகஜம் கட்டியிருக்கேன். அதுக்கு மேட்சிங்கா அங்க வஸ்திரம், பொட்டு, மாலை, நெத்தியில விபூதி குங்குமம் இட்டு ரெடி பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அண்ட் 2 பேருக்கும் கலர் கோடிங் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். தை பிறந்தா வழி பிறக்கும்னு சொல்லுவா. ஸோ எல்லோருக்கும் இந்த தை மாதம் நல்லபடியாக அமையணும்னு நான் சூரிய பகவானை வேண்டுகிறேன்.
Thank you so much to LSS for giving me this opportunity to do this Rangoli competition. Actually, I have not had many chances to put kolam and Rangoli before. A couple of times in my house in Chennai with my Tata Party and all, I have put Rangoli, but I've never done like this before. So it was a very good opportunity for me to try to do something creative. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhu. Our next entry is by Mrs. Lakshmi Balaji.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Balaji. I'm a student of Banaras Hindu University. Most of my childhood I spent in North, and during my school and college days, I was interested in and very keen in kolams and rangoli, which I learned from my grandmother and mother, but very much out of touch now. When I received request and encouragement from Soumya and Chitra, I had to rake up my memory and managed to dig out a small and simple rangoli from my past. This is what I'm going to show today. This is just a welcome kolam. You can use for any festival or special day in your home. After seeing my friends' kolams, really they were so superb. And last the Madhu's one, hats off to her. But mine is a simple and elementary one. Thank you, LSS, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
அதாவது அந்த எழுத்துக்களை உருவாக கொண்டு வர வேண்டும்.
நேக்கா ரொம்ப நாளாக ஆயிடுத்து இங்கே இந்த ஊருக்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் கோலம் போகிற அந்த டச்சே போயிடுத்து. ஆனாலும் எல்எஸ்எஸ் எனக்கு ஒரு ரிஃப்ரெஷர் கோர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கா இன்னைக்கு கோலம் போடுறதுக்கு.
அதில் அந்த வாய்ப்பை ரொம்ப அதிகமாக பயன்படுத்த ஆரம்பித்து விட்டாய்.
அது அப்புறம் பார்க்குறவா தான் சொல்லணும் நான் எவ்வளோ அதிகமாக அதை அதனால பெனிஃபிட் ஆயிருக்கேன்னா இல்லையாங்கிறது பார்க்குறவா.
அதுக்கு வருங்காலம் தீர்ப்பு வரும்.
இதில் கொஞ்சம் கலர் பொடி போட்டு அதை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அழகுபடுத்தலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இது கலர் பொடி தெரியுதா?
அழகுக்கு அழகு சுட்டி பார்க்க வேண்டும்.
இந்த கோலம் என்றைக்கும் எந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்லேயும் போடலாம், அழகாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நான் என்னோட ஓன் ஒப்பீனியன். வா
எந்த கலர் வேண்டுமானாலும் பயன்படுத்தலாமா அல்லது குறிப்பிட்ட கலர்களைத்தான் பயன்படுத்த வேண்டுமா?
அப்படிலாம் இல்லை. அது மேட்சிங்காக இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்கும் கலர். அந்த அது
கூடவே தர்பார் கர்நாடகா இசையும் அமைக்க வேண்டுமா அல்லது இசை இல்லாமலே செய்யலாமா?
அது அது அப்படி பேக்ரவுண்டில் இருந்துருக்கு அதனால
அதனால் அது அவசியம் இல்லை. ஆனால்
இல்லை இல்லை கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மாதிரி சேஞ்ச் கொஞ்சம்
இல்லை போடுறதுக்கு உற்சாகம் கிடைக்கும். பின்னாடியில் ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு சங்கீதம் கேட்டால்.
ஸோ என்னோட கோலம் இதில் வருக அப்படின்னு எழுதியிருக்கேன். இது இப்படியும் இருக்கும், இப்படியே ஸ்வஸ்திக் நம்ம
மேல் ஸ்வஸ்திக் சரியா தெரியலை.
இதுவா
தெரியுதா? கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸ்அப்பில் கொண்டு தான் தெரியுது, இல்லாட்டா அந்த ப்ளூ மட்டும் தெரியல.
இது ப்ளூ தெரியலையா? அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுறேன், கொஞ்சோண்டு ஏதோ கலர் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் எடுக்க தெரியுதா?
ஸோ இது
அதில் கொஞ்சோண்டு வெள்ளை கலக்கட்டணும்.
முடிந்து விட்டது என்று கருதலாமா?
ஓ எஸ்.
ஓகே, குட்.
தேங்க்ஸ்.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi Mummy. That's a very cute, lovely Varuga Varuga Kolam. You are inviting all of us to this special Rangoli competition. Thank you so much. Our next.
Thank you to you all too. இந்த தை மாசத்துலேருந்து இந்த இதெல்லாம் போய் நம்ம எல்லார் வீட்டுக்கு போய் வருக வருகன்னு எல்லாரும் கூப்பிடும்படியா இருக்கணும். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you so much, Mummy. Our next entry is by Samyukta Arvind.
ஹலோ, நான் சம்யுக்தா அரவிந்தோட அம்மா. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் அவளை கூப்பிடுறேன். அவளுக்கு ஆக்சுவலி வேற ஒரு கிளாஸ் இருக்கு, அதனால தான்.
Hi Samyukta.
Hi.
சொல்லு. She's Samyukta Arvind. We are from Staines, London. இப்போதான் she started getting interest in kolam from the lockdown. So அதனால just started. I am myself not a pro or an expert or நானே ரொம்ப novice தான். But just started with pencil paperல பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சா. Then when this competition came up, she was very keen and enthusiastic and wanted to participate. So you want to say something?
I love kolam and
Is this your first kolam?
This is my first kolam competition.
Okay. So you do kolams during this Margari month outside your house?
Not outside, too cold. Inside aathukulle da she.
Okay, in front of the god. Okay.
And Samyukta, what are you studying?
Year 5.
Introduce yourself, if you don't mind.
I'm studying year 5 in Staines Prep.
One of the youngest participants we have so far.
வணக்கம், எல்லோருக்கும் பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். என் பேர் சமிக்தா அரவிந்த். எனக்கு 9 வயசு ஆகுது. எனக்கு கோலம் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். இப்போதான் அம்மா கிட்டேருந்து கற்றுக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கேன். இதுதான் என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கோலம் காம்படிஷன். I thank London Satsangam for this amazing opportunity. Hope you all like it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Samyukta. That was a beautiful kolam, lovely, colorful.
How long did it take you to make?
2 hours.
Wow, so fast, huh? So fast. Oh my God.
So
It
you
looks
first
beautiful.
practiced in a small paper and then drew it on the big paper. Is that how you did it?
Yes.
Okay.
Amazing.
So this is your own creation. You imagined this design, or Amma helped you with the design?
Amma helped me a little bit with the design.
It's so beautiful. Really nice.
Thank you so
Wonderful.
much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Our next participant is Mrs. Anu Ganesh. Hi, Anu.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hi,
Yeah.
everyone. I'm Anusuya Ganesh from Bushi. I'm software architect and I love the culture of drawing kolam and coloring them. In my childhood, I used to do it with my mom for most of the festivals, and it brings me back that remembrance when I did this. I thank LSS for organizing this because it is an opportunity to showcase my kolam after a long time. Actually, during my colleges, I used to do, but now it's been a while, and it also gave me opportunity to show my children how do we do how to draw the line with the powder, etc. So it was quite a good experience for me. Thank you very much. I hope you love it.
Wow. Thank you, Anu. That was a very beautiful, lovely Pongal kolam.
Yeah, thank you very much. Because it was Pongal, we used that, and we used rava because we shortage of colors. So that was quite good experience. Thank you very much for Soumya and Chitra to make me participate into this competition.
Yeah, I also didn't have black kolam powder,
Yeah.
so ground up some tea leaves and use that instead.
Oh, that's a good idea. I was making something for brown. So
even for white kolam powder, we didn't get it here, so we ground sabudana and then
okay.
we made it. Yeah. So tapioca. Yeah.
And for black color, we could grind some coal, the coal which we get, and that
Yeah.
we just grind and mix it with something, probably.
Yeah, that could also work really well.
Even for the cream background, we used badam powder because that only gave the cream color. Because in the rangoli colors, you have only bright pink, red, blue, green. You don't have these white or black or brown or cream, you know. So we have to make do with what we have at home.
Yeah,
so it's an easy one too.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
very
Kamala.
much.
Thank you, Anu. Our next participant is Mrs. Asha Prasanna. Hi, Asha.
Hello, everyone. Vanakkam. Namaste. Thank you for the opportunity. And my entry is very basic. I have been thoroughly enjoying all the Rangoli so far. Each and every one of them is so intricate and different. So my Rangoli is very basic. It's all about borders. And this is something that you would put after you finish your kolam and then make a little border. I've just gone on to put that together. So we live in Reading and very, very fortunate to be in this cohort because it keeps you so close to the culture. And when you're close to your culture, you feel really nice. And that's your identity. And that's how you flourish. So I'm really grateful for this being part of this group. And thank you, Soumya and Chitra, once again. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to take part in the Rangoli competition. Today I will draw some of the patterns, the borders that we put when we draw Rangoli. So this one is a pattern that I learned when I was really young. My mom taught me this pattern. So it's just a case of putting lines and then drawing patterns like this. I got this Rangoli pudi from India. We were in India for almost a month. Thanks to the flight cancellations, we managed to stay a little longer. So this pattern, this border is quite a popular one. So this is one way of doing it. And then you can also do other borders. So you can do it with two, with the double layers like this. So you have to make it really thin. The stronger you hold the powder, the thinner it comes. And once you've done that, you can make a pattern like this. The very popular one that we put for festivals is called Padma, which is just a star. Just put it like this and draw a pattern. And you can make the other one that we put, if you can't draw, is you just pinch a bit and put powders like this. And then you go on to make a pattern like this. Just in Kshatriya. So this is an easy one where anybody who does not know how to draw Rangoli can also make a pattern. And then you fill in with colors. And then if you want, you can connect it with lines like this. So these are three different borders that I wanted to show. And these are the colors that I got from India. You can then go on to fill them with different patterns. These are the different colors I have. So, Acha, Manish Acha.
Thank you. This was last minute entry, and thanks for encouraging me to take part.
Thank you, Asha,
Thank you.
for good technical, explanations and beautiful patterns and designs. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Our next entry is by Mrs. Radhika Shrikant. Hi, Radhika.
Hi. Hi, everyone.
Hello.
I'm Radhika. I live in Kingston upon Thames. In my childhood days, so I used to put rangoli on the street in front of our house. So I'm a good friend of Subhatra. So when Subhatra asked me to do rangoli within short time, so I didn't have much colors and I didn't think of any designs. So without thinking that, I told her, okay, I'll participate. So we have shifted here recently. So I haven't brought any rangoli colors with me. So I've decided to use some organic colors like kumkumam and manjal puri. So, and I tried out with grinding some leaves and added a light green color. I got it. So with those colors, so I've made a very small design, peacock design. I have made it. So thanks LSS for giving me this opportunity. So I hope you'll all like this peacock design. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Radhika Shrikant. I live in Kingston upon Thames. Thanks to London Satsang for giving me the opportunity to display my rangoli. Today I'm going to show you peacock design. I hope you'll all like it. Thank you so much.
That was so beautiful.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you so much. Thank
Lovely
you.
kolam.
And you made
Thank
it
you.
with all materials that are easily available in everyone's house. So it's amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next participant is Mrs. Saraswati Chandrasekhar.
Hello. Kekradha?
Kekradhu, mommy. You can speak.
Yeah. My name is Mrs. Saraswati Chandrasekharan from Guildford. The kolam, was my party taught us 70 years ago, and I forgot all about it. Only recently, after the satsangam request, I asked my sister. She taught me this. That brought back all my memories 70 years ago. And this kolam is called Pambu kolam, that is snake kolam, and it is made of 16 dots. And 16 dots, it looks very easy, but it's if you make one mistake, you won't finish it, the kolam. So that is, and because of the lockdown, I don't have the proper, powder and everything. So I just did it in just a cardboard box. And I did it yesterday at night, and with a little bit of hurry. And when you think of kolam, it is not just a pattern. It involves so much, and your mental power and your agility, and then your the counting, and it is so therapeutic. And I actually watched it. My mother, when she was very ill, I used to give her these dots and everything. She can't speak, she can't do anything. She used to draw that line, and then that make her brain started working and everything. So it is, I always find its kolam is not only a pattern, it is really a hard work, like you do Sudoku. It is a mental work, and it gives a lot of pleasure. And especially elderly people, you should make it at a point to even start with a simple one, and then it will keep them occupied all the time. And that is my feeling. And thank you very much for Chitra and Soumya. They are the one last minute, mommy, you can do it. So I just did it. And thank you so much for giving the opportunity. And if anybody wants to learn it, I can always post how to do it. It's just
என்ன கோலம் வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன் மேம்?
எனக்கு பாம்பு கோலம்னு பேர் எங்கள் பாட்டி சொல்லி கொடுத்தா. அது எனக்கு மறந்தே போயிடுது. எங்கள் அக்கா அதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுட்டு சொன்னான். அதை கற்றுட்டு இப்போ போடுறேன். இந்த பாம்பு கோலம் 16 புள்ளி வேணும். 16 புள்ளி விட்டு இது கரெக்டாக அது ஆரம்பித்து கரெக்டாக முடிக்கணும். அது இது கோலம் தப்பாக போனாலும் சரியாக வராது. அதுதான் அதில் ரொம்ப நாள் கழிச்சு இதை கற்றுட்டு போடுறதுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
இது பாட்டினா எனக்கு கொள்ளு பாட்டி. இப்போ உங்க பாட்டியுடைய சொந்த கற்பனையா இல்லை?
பாட்டியோட சொந்த கற்பனை தான்.
அது சொல்லலையா? அது முக்கியமாச்சு.
ஏன்னா நிறையா பண்ணியிருக்காங்க எங்கள் பாட்டி, நிறையா.
அதை சொல்லு. பாட்டி பேர் லக்ஷ்மியா?
நிறைய கோலம் பண்ணியிருக்கா பாட்டி. கோல புக்கே வச்சிருக்கா. எங்கள் அக்கா வச்சிருக்கா எல்லாத்தையும் கோல புக்கெல்லாம். அவளுக்கு இன்னும் என்னோட ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட். அவள் நிறைய ஞாபகம் வச்சுருக்கா. எனக்கு மறந்து போயிடுது. நான் இப்போ எல்லாம் நானும் போட்டிருந்தேன், பட் அவளை மாதிரி அவ்வளோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்டாக போடல.
சரி.
அவள் இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக எனக்கு சொன்னால் போட்டிருக்கா. அது அவள்கிட்டேருந்து கற்றுட்டுருக்கேன். ஞாபகம் இருந்தது, கற்றுனோடனே ஞாபகம் இருந்தது. அதுக்கு இது இப்போ இதை எடுத்துட்டியா பாம்பு கோலம்?
போட்டாச்சு. நீ பாரு, நீ எல்லாரையும் பார்த்து நமஸ்காரம் சொல்லி லண்டன் சத்சங்கத்தில் இருக்கிறவர்கள் சொல்லு.
நமஸ்காரம் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். லண்டன் சத்சங்கம் பீப்புளுக்கு. பாவம் சித்ரா தான் என்னை ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி பண்ண சொன்னா. அந்த பாரிய மூஞ்சியை பார்த்தாலே என்ன எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு போடுறீங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கேன் எல்லாருக்கும். கமிட்மெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டனால சித்ராக்காக அதை போட்டு கொடுக்குறேன்.
சரி, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். பாம்பு கோலம்.
பாம்பு கோலம்.
Thank you so much, Mami. That was a really beautiful Pambu kolam. So perfectly symmetrical, so wonderful. It was really nice. And definitely teach me. I really want to learn.
Definitely.
I like it a lot.
I will.
Thank you so much. So that was our last entry for the competition. And thank you everyone for being so patient despite all of the technical difficulties. So now the judges will be deciding who's the winner. And in that gap, we just wanted to showcase a few more Rangoli designs and videos that we got sent from people in India.
Hello, Namaskaram. I'm Kala Ramanan from Bangalore. வந்து இன்னைக்கு சஹஸ்ரதள பத்மம்னு ஒரு கோலம் போட போறேன். அதெல்லாம் சென்டர் மார்க் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் ஒரு ரவுண்ட் வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம்.
ಹದಿಮೂರರಿಂದ 7 13 to 7.
All the columns were really beautiful. People in India are doing such a good job. They probably do this every day. That's why it's absolutely amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed watching that. I'm sure you all will agree with me.
Hope the judges are, they have decided the winner. Hi, Kamala and Priya, are you all ready to announce the winner? Yeah, this column is by Mrs. Akhila Venkat. She did it for another competition recently.
It's really
So,
beautiful.
yeah, it is so beautiful. So we wanted to showcase that as well.
If anyone has anything that they want to say about the Rangoli, please feel free to unmute and speak.
Madhu and Samya, all the music in the background, they were very, very lovely. They were nicely put together.
Thank you.
You must have done some of it, right? Or you did all of it?
Most of the participants compiled their own videos and sent them over. We just put it all together, Balaji, Uncle and Chitra.
I think she's asking you.
Oh, if you mean about my Rangoli, then yes, we just took a audio clip from online and added it on.
Nice, very nice.
I am Dr. Renuka from India. Kolam is divine மாத்திரம் இல்ல, அது வந்து மனசை வந்து ஒருமுகப்படுத்துறதுக்கு, கான்சென்ட்ரேஷனுக்கு, your memory, mathematics. First of all, it is a mathematics. It's an arithmetic. Okay. And then அது வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா நம்மளை வந்து மனசை வந்து ஒருமுகப்படுத்தி அமைதிப்படுத்துறதுக்கும், நம்ம மனசை வந்து சஞ்சலம் இல்லாத படக்கு அந்த வெடிகாலம்புற வேளையில மார்கழி மாசம் போடுறது ஓசோன் இன்டேக் இஸ் so much and it is good for your health also. It's good for your health also. And memory வந்து ரொம்ப நம்மளை கீப் அப் பண்றதுக்கு இது, especially old peopleக்கு the finger movements are very important and they become very lazy. And for them, the Parkinson's, இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க dementia இதெல்லாம் வராது இருக்கிறதுக்கு, you make them do ஜபமாலை உருட்டுற மாதிரி, சுவாமிகிட்ட நீ தான் கோலம் போடணும்னு சொல்லி கோலத்தை கொடுத்து அவளை போட சொன்னாக்க, that is supposed to be a prayer as well as it is a physiotherapy for them, for their brain and for the small fingers. So that I wanted to say as a medical person.
Thank you.
How true. Thank you so much.
So youngsters learn. It's an art. Yes. It's an art. It is a tradition, and it is a wonderful exercise also for the body.
It is a beautiful part of our culture as well. So
yes. Yeah.
And living in the UK,
and it gives a feed for all the birds. The morning when you put, you use only rice flour and not the other things. When you make with rice flour, you can see very well the crows come and eat, the squirrel come and eats, and all the ants, they carry their food for their storage for cold weather. And you should learn the briskness from the ants. These ants, they collect the flour and they keep it for their rainy days.
Yeah.
So these are the good things that we do everyday dharma.
I was told it's also to help ward off all evil.
Evil is when you enter a house, you should feel that comfortable atmosphere. So வீட்ல விளக்கேத்துறது, வீட்டை பிரைட்டா வைக்கிறது, வீட்டை கிளீனா வச்சுக்கிறது, வீட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட்டை வந்து பிரைட்டா வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இந்த கோலம் attracts people. Kolam. When I used to draw kolam, Rangoli, I used to draw Appu and all the snake and big things and color them with natural colors. These colors were not available those days. I used to use mud, coffee powder, and the ash, manjal, all these things, And those Rangoli, when I made that snake in my house, I used to make it very big. Nowadays, the traffic and we cannot do anything on the roadside. The children, school children will go, they'll start with the tail, they'll go around the column and come to the head. Some will go from the head to the tail. Like that, they'll play. And such big things I used to draw in my house.
Wonderful.
I used to love. Early morning, I used to do this between 4 and 6 and run to the hospital. At 6:15, I have to leave for the work, So I used to leave at 6:15. I used to draw this. My husband used to scold me. Being a doctor, you're standing on the street side and drawing column. He'll say. I said, what is there? It's my house. I do it. So we used to fight those days. It's nice memories. It has kindled. Thank you very much for allowing me to participate in this your gathering.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay.
Anybody?
All were beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to say any more about these columns?
I must, I just wanted to say it was a wonderful opportunity, especially especially it's very motivating and inspiring for this traditional art to be passed on to the next generation. She started getting this interest just recently during the lockdown. One of the benefits, I should say, for this, benefits of this lockdown. So I didn't expect her to like this art so much, but I didn't want to force it on her, but it was natural. And I'm so glad that she got this opportunity and this exposure. So first time she's seeing, normally she's a very chatty person, but I think she was so pleasantly shocked seeing so much. She didn't expect it to in this grand scale or in this so much of design. So It was really wonderful, and I'm sure she is really inspired, and she was trying to say which is the best, which she liked most, and all that. She was finding it very difficult. She's just caught up in a parallel lesson which she couldn't miss. Otherwise, she would have sat through. I'm sure.
Hers is only the best.
No, she was saying that, oh my God, I should have done. See, they have done so well. So much is there. So much. I mean, it was a good exposure. She's seen some designs, but here seeing so many different variations, and it was wonderful. It was a visual treat, I should say. Thank you so much. And it was such a late. I came to know about this in very short notice, and thank you, Soumya, and it was a really nice opportunity. And I hope this wonderful traditional art is kept passed down to the generations, and everybody gets the benefit and joy of this wonderful art. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
I think they are ready now.
Yeah, hi again. Really thoroughly enjoyed the whole competition. If it was in my hands, I would give everybody prizes. I don't want to let anybody down. Yeah, having said that, because the onus is on us to decide. Yeah, all of you have come up with really nice designs. Rangoli, I feel, it's a really nice part of our tradition. And as ladies, it is our responsibility to take this tradition forward. So seeing all of you participate and, to entertain ourselves, we really don't need any songs or movies or anything. We spent more than 1 hour just looking at rangolis, just looking at people making rangolis. So I think that is really wonderful. It is a wonderful culture. I just can be proud of, our culture, the way we celebrate things. Kamala, sorry, I can't see you there. Do you want to announce the results for the Padikolam category?
Go ahead, Priya.
Yeah, sorry, maybe do the participants know that they are, we were asked to explain, right?
Just mention about that.
Yeah, please start off with that.
No, go ahead.
No, you start and you announce.
Basically, it is segregated in 2 different categories. One is the Padikolam and the very traditional way of doing the kolam, and the other one is the modern way of presenting the same thing. So these are the 2 different broad categories. It is categorized, and there are 2 prizes from Padikolam thing, and the other one is the 3 from the Rangoli, where we use the colors and all those things. So yeah, Priya, you want to go ahead with the Padikolam one?
Okay. Yeah, so there are 6 entries for the Padikolam category. Very difficult to judge. Actually, yeah, like I said, everybody deserves a prize. It feels very unfair to say that one person is the winner, one person is not. But I'm really happy to announce that the second prize in the Padikolam category, we have given it to, let me get the name correct, Mrs. Jaya Krishnan. Yep. She did the first one, the first video. Yeah. Do we have a picture to show everybody, or it's difficult at this point?
I think it is difficult at this point.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So that's the second prize in that category. And the first prize we have given to Mrs. Sailaja Venkatraman. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, done that column with yeah. I would never get my head around that.
Suri column, is that what you call it? The one with lots of twists and turns. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, very nice. We thoroughly enjoyed that. That was actually the easier section for us to judge.
Yeah.
The next category, like Kamala said, it's the modern category, or a bit, more, not, let's say not traditional, but yeah, different from the Padikolam category.
Improvised.
Sorry?
Improvised rather.
Yeah, improvised category. So in that category, tough competition. Okay. So we have come up with 3 winners in this category. So the third prize for this category, we have given it to Mrs. Saraswati Chandrasekhar. The palm column, right?
Yeah.
The snake, yeah. I never saw such kind of a design before. We both felt it's very unique. Somehow it is traditional yet modern, so yeah. So
We
that
thought, like, the color
definitely
quite
deserves a
apple.
prize.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry. Even
Sorry.
the color, you remember we were talking about the color which you used?
Yes, yeah. Okay, so so the third prize goes to Mrs. Saraswati Chandrasekhar. Then the second prize goes to Akhila Venkat for the Sankranti theme, the Pongal theme, right? Okay, very well, very colorful. Really, we can see the hard work that Akhila has put in. So, yeah, she gets the second prize. So now the first prize.
If I may add only one thing there, and she covered the entire India in her column.
Yes, definitely. Yes. Yeah, so while judging for the first and second places, we were actually in a fix because we loved both the entries so much. We had to lean to one design more than the other because we thought it was a bit more, artistic, or I don't know how to express it. It was a very tough competition between the two. So having said that,
wait a minute, Priya.
Yeah.
Can we have the guesses from the audience? 1 or 2 people at least.
Madhu, maybe?
Soumya's daughter.
Madhu?
Madhu, might be Madhu.
Madhu.
Yeah. Kalyana Ponnu Paiyan.
Yeah,
yeah, all guesses are correct. Yeah, so the first prize we have awarded to Madhurima Chandrasekhar.
Thank you so much.
Very good. Yeah.
So, Soumya, you have to make that kind of a column. I don't know for Madhu's wedding, whether you do it or how you are going to do it.
Don't worry, Madhu, call us. We all do one bit each.
Right. So basically,
we will make it as a theme and we will do it everybody together.
Oh, sure.
Madhu.
And, one thing I just wanted to mention is, when we were discussing, myself and Priya, when we went offline for a few minutes, but we thought that time what the the panel has given us is very short. It was not really enough. It was such a difficult thing which we didn't expect that we will just come back just like that. It was very difficult for us to decide or to arrive at the final consensus. But so we thought there were only 15 there are only 15 people. We thought it would be easy, but as Priya initially mentioned, it was not at all.
Not an easy thing.
It was not at all an easy thing. And we have one special winner, that small little girl.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Samyukta. Yes. I'm just trying to get her name. One moment. Samyukta Arvind.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and it is very encouraging for the it should be very encouraging. It is encouraging for all other children as well, and especially the parents. You have done a very good job there. We have to say that, and making your small girl participate.
Thank you so much. It will be truly inspiring and encouraging for her. I'm sure she'll be very happy. Samyukta, thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you.
And for next year, you start practicing from now on.
Sure. Yes, sure.
Yeah, it's our tradition, and I'm glad that you are into it. And then you will do really very well if you start practicing from now on. Okay, every day.
Thank you so much. Thank you. That's truly what encouraging.
We'll be sending you your prize soon.
Thank you.
Everybody is a winner. Everybody did a beautiful, wonderful column. So all are winners. We have all got this wonderful opportunity to, as though we are in India during this Margari season. So thank you, everyone. I'll hand over to Anna Mami. Thank you, Kamala and Priya, for judging the winners today.
Thank you all for having us.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Anna Mami.
Yeah.
எல்லோருக்கும் என்னோட வணக்கங்கள் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். எல்லாருடைய கோலங்களும் ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்தது. இந்தியாவுக்கே போயிட்டு வந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது. நான் மறந்துட்டேன் லண்டன்ல இருக்கிறதுக்கே. ஆக்சுவலி இட் வாஸ் சோ நைஸ். படிக்கோலம், இழைக்கோலம், கலர் கோலம் பலவிதமா இருந்தது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஐ வாண்ட் டு தேங்க் த ஜட்ஜஸ் Kamala and Priya. Their decision was absolutely correct, exactly what I was thinking. Very, very well judged. Very nice. And also my thanks to all the participants, Jaya Krishnan, Nandini Ganesh, Veena Saundar, Akila Venkat, Ramya Anand, Komati Gunashekara Pandian, Shailaja Venkatraman, Subhadra Raghuraman, Madhu Chandrasekharan, Lakshmi Balaji, Samyukta, the cute little girl, Samyukta Arvind, Anu Ganesh, Mrs. Asha Prasanna, Radhika Srikant, and finally our elderly Saraswati Chandrasekharan. Really, thank you all to make this program successful for us. I never thought we will get this much entry. And also the congratulations for the people sent their column from India, although they are not participating in the competition, but it was all displayed. Thank you very much.